A very good morning to our valued real estate customers, our partners, and our important stakeholders, including government and the general Singapore public. I'm Dr. Marigold, founder and CEO of EXPIScore Private Limited. EXPIScore is a proud Singapore invention with global aspirations. We're currently the world's first and only rating system for human-centric customer experience in buildings and development. Today, I would like to first of all start off with a quick update on EXPIScore's journey today. EXPIScore launched on the 19th of May to the market, so it's only been in the market for about 2 months, and that was on the back of 1 year R&D in Singapore. However, EXPIScore has truly been 6 years in the making because it's actually come out of 5 years PhD research I conducted at University of Melbourne to deepen and hone my expertise as the inventor in customer experience within the real estate environment and industry. And following that, we've conducted 1 year of R&D in Singapore, and that involved detailed consumer surveys of the Singapore community and seeking Singapore community feedback and listening to the Singapore community on what they expect or what are their aspirations for the spaces in which they live and work. And those consumer surveys informed EXPIScore's rating criteria, which essentially is looking to operationalize the needs, aspirations, and requirements of the Singapore community for the Singapore EXPIScore rating system, and operationalizing that so that it's easier and simpler for the real estate industry to deliver on those needs and expectations. Obviously, we have global aspirations, so in every single market, we'll look to conduct local market surveys to adapt the rating criteria to the nuances of each local market. Before I go on, I would like to thank our real estate customers for the support and interest that we have received since we launched, and especially our pilot real estate partners who played a very important role in terms of allowing us to validate our rating criteria on actual buildings before we truly rolled out to the market, and also providing feedback and inputs as key and major industry players in our Singapore real estate industry. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about what we mean when we say that we're a trust-based business. First of all, importantly, we are very aware and appreciative of the fact that we are trust-based, and therefore every decision that our leadership makes in terms of the direction of the company is very cognizant of the fact that we are trust-based, and that means that we are motivated, but we are also driven by the trust that we receive from our real estate customers and also from the general public, the consumers, and government. And as long as I'm the founder and CEO of this company, I have committed to myself and to the people around me that we will make decisions in line with that. And that, first of all, one key decision we have made is the executive leadership team has decided to not receive remuneration for the first year. And the reason for that is because we do not see our remuneration as entitlement, but as a privilege, having earned and deepened the trust of our real estate customers, but also our important stakeholders, and that includes government and the consumers. In line with the fact that we're a trust-based business, we have also decided that whatever we receive in the first year will be reinvested back into R&D, into spending time with our real estate customers to really truly listen to and have a deep understanding of our real estate customers' challenges and how we can apply our human-centric customer experience expertise to continue to value add to our real estate customers' success. The way in which the fact that we are a trust-based business will be influencing our decisions is that we will be looking to commence early discussions with capital partners and investors. However, we will be taking our time with that journey, and the reason being, as founder and CEO of this company, I would like to really be very cognizant and very deliberate in the capital partners that we bring on board, because our capital partners have to understand that we are a trust-based business. And because of that, it is very important as a company that we are investing in and continuing to earn and deepen the trust that we receive from our real estate customers and from our important stakeholders. Having said that, it is still a business, and the reason why I'm saying that is because we obviously do need to charge assessment fees, because that is invested into R&D to continually improve our offering for our real estate customers, and we do need to attract and retain highly experienced qualified assessors with decades of experience to be able to apply the experience to assessing and evaluating our real estate customers' buildings and developments to look at how we can apply the expertise to support our customers' success. It's also a business because at the end of the day, we do need the support of capital partners and investors to expand our rating system globally, and they need to also be motivated and reassured that there are healthy financial metrics in order to come on board and to support our expansion plans as a Singapore invention with global aspirations. And obviously the leadership team, in order to ensure that we have committed and also passionate leadership team, our leadership team also has to be reasonably remunerated. Having said that, as mentioned, the executive team has made a decision not to draw remuneration the first year because we would really like to demonstrate our commitment to the public that we are committed and we're really passionate about EXPIScore as the world's first and only rating system for human-centric customer experience in buildings. We are truly committed to this invention and the fact that we are driven by truly believing in the impact that this will drive in our real estate industry, virtually a hospitality industry, and also in the lives of everyday people. Before I close off, very big thank you again to our valued real estate customers, our key partners, and our important stakeholders. And your trust and your appreciation and your support is not something that I, as founder and CEO of this company, take lightly. We deeply appreciate it, and we will continue as a company, as a leadership, to continue to earn and deepen that trust. Thank you very much, and I look forward to providing the next update in the next quarter.